they say humans are creatures of habit, and that's never been proven more true by me, this human, than the other day when I was dyeing my roots. So I've been using the exact same brand, exact same color of hair dye for years. I have a girl, that's right. I identify it by the picture of the woman on the front. Ain't no wordy mama got time to go sit in the salon for every 6 weeks. I touch up my roots in between, and I promise you want me to do that or we'd be looking like a skunk. It's pretty much old hat. I tear open the box, I dump everything out on the counter, and I start mixing. And in this particular brand of hair color, the reason why I like it so much is because it has an ends treatment, like a little tube, and you twist the top off and you put it on your ends before you dye, and it protects your ends. I'm doing that. I twist the top off, I squeeze it in my hand, I'm putting it on my ends, and I realize it's bubbly. It's not supposed to be bubbly. That's when I remember several months ago they changed the formula, and now instead of the ends treatment, they include a post-color shampoo. I had been putting the post-color shampoo on my roots, ends. I'd been putting them on my ends. That moment of like, well, I've done that now. Do you wash it out? Start over? No. We're just gonna power through. Fortunately, it was just the roots that I was touching up, so having the shampoo on the ends of one half of my hair didn't make a difference in the end result. A lesson here for us copywriters, right? People are creatures of habit. If we change something, if our clients change something within their programs, within the way that they deliver, within the way that they offer their services, we have to tell the audience multiple times in order for them to really get it. We can't take for granted that one announcement of the new thing is going to sink in. You have to be willing to step out and give multiple touches of the same information before target audiences are ready to take action or ready to stop putting shampoo on their ends before they color their hair. Follow me for more Wordy Mama freelance copywriter tips.